Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta Highline in Moonroof silver metallic with black leatherette seating for 5, four-door sedan, and it's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder front-wheel drive diesel engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The release for the trunk is located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is hands-free dialing, and behind you're seeing the cruise control. When we want to start up the vehicle, it's a push start, so foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, as well as the odometer reading. And in the center, you're seeing your hazard lights, as well as a display screen for your media, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD. Your CD player's up here, and you also have the setup for the phone and other options. Heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as AC and front defrost. You also have rear defrost, and there's your climate control. Down below, you're seeing the 12 volt as well as an auxiliary line in. There's your engine start stop button, as well as an automatic shifter. Emergency parking brake is right beside me here. A couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's lots of storage inside. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have lighting controls, a sunglass holder located there. And the nice thing about this is you just dial for that moonroof and it'll tilt and slide it right open for some nice fresh air. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. The back trunk can easily be released from inside, or you can press on the fob. It also has dual exhaust, and now easily put your hand underneath, lift up, and you're in the trunk. You'll notice on either side is the tabs, and this is to fold down your 60/40 rear split seats. There's lots of room and it's nicely carpeted. And then when you're ready to bring that trunk down, all you have to do is put your hand to the right or the left. There's handles, and there's actually little pictures there to tell you to pull it down, and it's now closed securely. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60/40 split, and the release is in the trunk area. There's an armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders, and you also have this nice pass-through. When you release that, it opens it right up to the trunk area, and then you can reach in and find things that you need. On the back of the front seats, slim pockets for extra storage, and in the center there's some little bins, as well as a 12 volt and the controls to lock and unlock the doors. Up above, there's hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side, fuel cap, tinted glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.